Welcome back, everybody. Today we're talking about the GM Borg Warner all-wheel drive transfer case. Now this transfer case will be found in your 2007 to 2010 SRX and STS Cadillac models. There's two major problems going on with this thing, and Elena's going to tell us about them.
So this particular transfer case will either fail as a direct result of a failure of a component within the case or an indirect result of a failure of an external component within your vehicle. An example of a failure caused by an external component is going to be that of an unbalanced rear drive shaft. So when the rear drive shaft is unbalanced, it does cause a lot of vibration in the vehicle, which will ultimately result in the case failure as well. A direct failure is going to be caused by the chain within the case. So when this chain starts to stretch, you're going to hear noises like popping and banging. At that point, very important to take your vehicle in for diagnostics. If that particular issue is left untreated, you will end up experiencing a hole in the side of your case. That's going to be an issue when it comes around to buying a new case. Drew's going to tell you a little bit about why that is.
So when you call your drivetrain genius, we need to know that we have a good core intact, ready to remanufacture. Now, if you don't, that's no problem. There is a small fee. We can work with you. Call us 888-842-0023, and we'll be more than happy to help you.